Okay, very good morning here on the 27th of July 2018. Rishi Patel here with a quick live trading update on this GBP USD trade that we took earlier this week on Money Bars. And yesterday I showed you on video where we had the open profit running on that pound dollar trade for around a 700 to 800 pounds of open profit, which was floating. You may have seen after that that the price did drop away, and that's exactly what happened. You can see that here on the chart, and I promised you an update either way. So I wanted to show you exactly what had happened here. Due to the nature of the quantified trading plan that we have here at Master the Markets, where every single possible permutation of price action pattern is covered. If you took a careful look at the trading plan, of course, which is 18 pages long, due to the nature of level of detail that goes into actually making the plan, you can see one of the intratrade close rules is if we have this pattern here, which you can see is what we call an outsider bar, or an OB for short, with a close here below its mid-range. If we get that, then we exit the market on the close. You can see it says that quite clearly, and that's exactly what we did last night. So we exited this trade on the close of the market. So we exited at 131.07 was our exit from this market, and that banked £154.88. So that open profit that we had, we weren't able to capture that much. It didn't quite hit our target. You can see it missed it by 25 pips, but that's okay because that's the nature of the game. Some of them will, of course, and you can see actually this year itself, I don't even have to guess. We can see here exactly how many of those trades hit their target and how many of them didn't. And you can see if we look carefully here, we've got out of the 5, 6, 7, 8 trades that have been taken so far, and I can update this GBP USD with you all today. So we entered that on the 20th, and of course we were out the early part of yesterday, which is of course the 27th. So we are out of that trade. Let's mark in our exit price as well. So you can see that the exit price was indeed, as I said, 131.07. 131.07 was the exit from the market there. So you can see we did bank a 0.15% profit, 20 pips just there, representing, as I said, that £154.88. Not really too worried that it didn't reach its target. Let's see how many trades we've taken so far. You can see we've taken 9 trades so far, of which 7 have been winners, only 2 losers. And of the 7 winners, you can quite clearly see that five of them out of 9 trades have hit their profit target. So you can see that the Money Bars model is of course up 415 pips at £10 per pip, £4,150, 8.44%, and of course for us representing a profit of £3,452 on our trading account just there. So that's pretty much it from me in terms of this update. Look forward to speaking to you all soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your plan, and keep trading like a master. Bye for now.